Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Buddy. If you have been following our daily MCQ series till now, then you would be knowing what we are doing here right now. I'm providing you with 15 MCQs in jumbled format from all of the chapters of class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology so that you are able to crack the upcoming NEET exam with confidence by practicing these little extra MCQs over other students. So without wasting much time, let's get started with 15 MCQs for today. Question number 1. Which one of the following is not applicable to RNA? There are four options given. One of these cannot be applied to RNA. Which one is correct? Option 1. Chargaff's rule. Option 2. Complementary base pairing. Option 3. 5' phosphoryl and 3' hydroxyl end. And option 4. Heterocyclic nitrogen bases. Which one of the following is not applicable to RNA? The correct answer is option 1. Chargaff's rule is not applicable to RNA. Rest all are applicable to RNA. Question 2. Doctors use stethoscope to hear sound produced during each cardiac cycle. The second sound is heard when? Option A. AV node receives signal from SA node. Option 2. AV valve opens up. Option 3. Ventricular valve vibrates due to gushing of the blood from atria. Or option 4. Semilunar valve closes down after the blood flows into vessel from the ventricle. Doctors use stethoscope to hear sound produced during each cardiac cycle. The second sound is heard when? The correct answer is option 4. When the semilunar valves close after the blood flows into the vessels from ventricles. Now you need to remember a few basic principles out here. First, heart sounds are heard whenever a valve closes. So option 1 goes out. AV node receiving signal from SA node, there is no closure of valve. So no sound will be produced in this process. Second, the valves always close to produce sound. So second option also goes out. AV valve opens up. While opening up, no sound is heard. Only sound is heard when it closes. Option 3 says ventricular valve vibrate due to gushing of blood into the atria. As I already said, when is the sound heard? When the valves close. So option 3 also goes out. So the correct option remains, that is option 4. Remember this. First heart sound is heard when? Right. The bicuspid and the tricuspid valve, which is the left and the right atrioventricular valve, closes up. And the second heart sound is heard when the aortic valve and the semilunar valves close. These are the two heart sounds that are heard during the cardiac cycle by a doctor using stethoscope. Question 3. During ecological succession, option 1. Changes lead to a community that is in near equilibrium with the environment and is called as pioneer community. Option 2. Gradual predictable changes in the species composition occur in a given area. Option 3. Establishment of a new biotic community is very fast in primary phase. Or option 4. Number and type of animal remains constant. During ecological succession, you have to tell which of these four options correctly fits. What happens during ecological succession? Option 1. Changes lead to a community that is in near equilibrium with the environment and is called as pioneer species. Option 2. Gradual and predictable change in the species composition occurs in a given area. Option 3. Establishment of a new biotic community is very fast in primary phase. Or option 4. Number and type of animals remain constant. The correct answer is option 2. The gradual and predictable change in species composition occur in a given area during an ecological succession. Question 4. Pick up the wrong statement. Nuclear membrane is present in Monera. Statement 2. Cell wall is absent in Animalia. Statement 3. Protists have photosynthetic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Option 4. Some fungus are edible. Of these four statements, you have to pick up which one is wrong. The correct answer is statement 1. Nuclear membrane is present in Monera. This is wrong. Monera contains prokaryotic organisms, and the defining feature of prokaryotic organism is absence of nuclear membrane. So the first statement that nuclear membrane is present in Monera is wrong, and the correct answer is option 1. Question 5. In photosynthesis, the light independent reaction takes place at option 1. Stromal matrix, option 2. Thylakoid lumen, option 3. Photosystem 1 or option 4. Photosystem 2. In photosynthesis, the light independent reaction takes place at. The correct answer is option 1. Stromal matrix. Question 6. Which of the following immunoglobulin does constitute largest percentage in human milk? Option A, IgG, option 2, IgD, option 3, IgM, or option 4, IgA. You have to tell out of these four immunoglobulins which one is present in largest percentage in milk. The correct answer is option 4, IgA. In fact, IgA is known as secretory immunoglobulin, and in all the major secretions of body, IgA would be found. There's one more question that I would like to add on over here, though it's not given in this question. Which one of these immunoglobulin can cross placenta? It can be asked in NEET. Which of these given immunoglobulins can cross placenta? And what is placenta? Placenta is a physical barrier between the mother and the fetus. So which of these immunoglobulin can cross placenta? And the answer is option A, IgG. IgG is the immunoglobulin which is able to cross placenta. Question 7. The UN Conference of Parties on Climate Change in year 2012 was held at option A, Warsaw, option 2, Durban, option 3, Doha, or option 3, Lima. In which of the following places was the 2012 UN Conference of Parties on Climate Change held? The correct answer is option 3, Doha. Question 8. The introduction of tDNA into plant involves option 1. Allowing plant roots to stand in water. Option 2. Infection of the plant by Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Option 3. Altering the pH of the soil, then heat shocking the plant. Option 4. Exposing the plant to cold for a brief period. Which of the following procedures would be helpful for introducing tDNA into plant? The correct answer is option 2, infection of plant by Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Question number 9. The supportive skeletal structures in human external ears and in the nose strip are example of option 1, areolar tissue, option 2, bone, option 3, cartilage, option 4, ligament. Of these four options, you have to identify which one is the supportive skeletal structure which is found in human external ear as well as nose strip. The correct answer is option 3, cartilage. All these are connective tissues. Bone and cartilage are specialized connective tissue, right? So cartilage is the tissue which is found as a supportive skeletal structure in human external ear as well as in the nose tip. Question number 10. Industrial melanism is an example of option 1, neo-Lamarckism, option 2, neo-Darwinism, option 3, natural selection, or option 4, mutation. Industrial melanism is an example of. The correct answer is option 3, natural selection. Remember what industrial melanism was? Moths of white and black color were there. once industrialization started, the black ones were selected over the white colored moths. That's a result of natural selection. It's given in the class 12th chapter. Question number 11. The chromosomes in which centromere is situated close to one end is acrocentric, telocentric, submetacentric, metacentric. Close to one end. The correct answer is option 1, acrocentric chromosomes. Question number 12. In which of the following both pairs are correct combination? In situ conservation, cryopreservation, ex situ conservation, wildlife sanctuaries. In situ conservation, seed banks, ex situ conservation, national parks. In situ conservation, tissue culture, ex situ conservation, sacred groves. In situ conservation, national park, ex situ conservation, botanical gardens. So the correct answer is option 4. In situ conservation is in national parks. Ex situ conservation is in botanical gardens. In situ conservation means within the natural environment. Ex situ conservation means outside the natural environment. So cryopreservation, seed bank, tissue culture, all these are example of ex situ conservation and not in situ conservation. So option 1, 2 and 3 are incorrect. Question number 13. The chemical signal that has both endocrine as well as neural role is calcitonin, epinephrine, cortisol, melatonin. The correct answer is option 2, epinephrine, also known as adrenaline. It has both endocrine, it acts as the emergency hormone secreted by the adrenal medulla, as well as has neural roles. It is the neurotransmitter of the sympathetic system. Question number 14. Perigynous flowers are found in cucumber, China rose, rose, guava. Perigynous flowers are found in. The correct answer is option 3, in rose. Question number 15. Keel is the characteristic feature of the flowers of Indigofera, aloe, tomato or tulip. Keel is characteristic feature of flower of. Correct answer is option 1, Indigofera. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.